my friends. I'm going to try something a little different today. I was intending to do a flip cup with silicone, but my glue, my Elmer's glue all, was getting down to the bottom of the jug, and it thickens up at that time. So my medium that I mixed, and I will detail it down below, but it normally works out really nice, get nicely shaped cells. It was too thick, so I added water, and then when I tried it on a little sample piece, I didn't like the shape of the cells. So rather than do a flip cup, I'm just going to load up the cup from dark to light, and then I'm going to just pour it out like this. Hit it with a torch, see what I get. So I'm not holding a great deal of enthusiasm for what I'm about to do, but I want to use up this these paints that I mixed. It just, they look a little granular, and I think the glue, as I said, over time, something strange happens to it. So I need a new bottle. I'm using the Liquitex Basics Fluid Paints. And a little goes a long way. That's why I thought it would be nice to try this. I have done, I did one other one with these paints and that mix, and it came out great. But since then, as I said, my glue has gotten old and reached the end of its useful life, I think. Okay, almost there. Gold and then a little white. If you're seeing this, I guess it worked out. Okay. And here we go. Colors are pretty. Just going to go over and over and over them. You can see it's quite reactive with the silicone. I just put 2 drops of silicone in all but the gold and the white. Let's hit it with a torch. Not a whole lot's happening, but I'll hit it again after I tilt it out. Big hole in the middle there. Kind of pretty. The colors are pretty wonderful. I used turquoise, and then I mixed some white with turquoise. Used Payne's Gray, cerulean blue plus cerulean blue and white, which, and I add a little bit of the iridescent white to it, and gold. Those were the colors. And let's move this baby around. pour that whole section off. And this is a lot of paint for this size canvas. I just wanted to use it up. Okay, let's look at the size of some of those cells though. Wow. Hit it with the torch again. Not my day. My torch is running out of juice. I'm going to pause a second, fill it up, and be right back. Okay, now let's see if something else can happen here. That's a little better. Oh yeah, look at that. That's fun. That's what I was hoping to see. Lots of little cells interspersed with the large ones. Okay. I could tilt it some more to make them grow larger. But I just took my gloves off and I hate getting so messy. I don't know. What should I do? Should I balloon smash it? I'll bring you in for a closer look and then we'll decide. Lots of cells. But some of them are oddly shaped. Some worked out better than others. Right in here, that's a decent section, but I've got some weird shaped ones, like over here. I don't like those. I think that's from the water. I feel like I want to do something to this. But what? Do I have I think I have a balloon here somewhere. I had this poor old balloon sitting around for a long time. Let's just try little ones. A lot of paint on the surface. Really too much for balloon smashes. And yet I continue to do it. I'm going to stop now. Stop the camera anyway. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.